Wow, that was huge.
Yes, it was so huge. We had brought artists from Rwanda, the Nick Dimpoz. Rosine, these abazanyo obuzanyo bwa TV series, Ntare Ingore, they were here. And then, so, abalabi ba GMTV, thank you so much for supporting us. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell thing. My guitar kateka ko. Click to off notifications.
GMTV, we're back. Little Becky 256 in the house. Greetings to all mothers, the subscribers, the people who watch us. We love you all. This is an entertainment vibe show. Before I go further, I want him to introduce himself first so that we know what goes on the place.
My name is Onesimus Mwesigwa, aka OMUNYA Uganda. That is how they address me. I'm a man of Uganda, patriot. I love my country.
Wow.
So the people call me Omunya Uganda.
We have the
Omunya
Uganda.
Onyx, some others call me Chanchara when you go to other places. So yeah, it depends on where you find me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you on GMTV.
Thank you.
Then, Onesimus, yes, Omunya Uganda. I know you as a gym instructor in the entertainment industry.
You know me as a gym instructor, but several people know me as a radio presenter.
Yeah.
When we come here to Kisoro, I'm a radio presenter.
Yes.
I work with Voice of Muhabura as a news anchor and a producer.
Yes, please.
I'm a radio producer. So that takes me to the music industry or the entertainment industry in general. So I'm an event organizer.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
So very many things I do in the music industry. I do promotions. Yeah.
Okay, we have another promoter here. My boy is saying you don't have promoters in.
No, that is where I want to correct you. Unless maybe people don't know what promotion means or what it takes to be a promoter.
Let's hear from
or
you,
what
please.
do promoters do? I usually watch your clips. I've been following keenly, keenly,
all right.
and commenting about the clips, people talking about the music industry in Kisoro. And I'm here to talk about the music industry in Kisoro, the entertainment industry in general, to the viewers of GMTV and the people in Kisoro in general.
Yes, please.
So you are with the right man.
Okay, promoter. Oh my God, promoter, event planner, Omunya Uganda. Oh,
gym instructor. I teach Shotokan and karate.
Jesus Christ. Okay, and a radio presenter.
Radio presenter, news anchor, so I read news Chiga News on Voice of Muhabura.
Okay, Onesimus. According to as you've told me, interviews was following keenly.
Yeah.
According to the interviews that you've been watching and seeing,
now, let me take you back to where the music industry in Kisoro came from. I came in Kisoro in 2013.
Yes, please.
2013 is in February is when I came to Kisoro. I was working with MTN as a networker and other things. And then I joined the industry. But even before joining the radio, before I came to Voice of Muhabura,
yes.
I used it to organize events. I remember there is an event I organized it in Bunagana at Custodians Camp. I was with Richard Mushakuru. I was with Vakure, is a comedian known very in Kisoro. I was with KK1 Brad. I was with the head boy. Very many artists from here.
That was your first event to organize?
That was my first event in Kisoro.
Yes,
it was in Buguli, Custodians Camp. That was in 2015, I think. Then we had other several events that we have organized ever since then, even after joining the radio.
Okay, so, before we continue, how many events have you organized in Kisoro?
I cannot basically tell you the number, but they are above 10.
Okay.
I want to take you through how the music industry has grown in Kisoro. Now, when we came, we found the legendary artists who were here. The John King.
Yeah, that's my blood.
The Slender MC. The younger Josh. There were these Kamonyi, was it? Gatare Boys. Ghetto Gatare Boys. So those were the shining stars by then.
There was even Echo C.
Yeah, Echo C. Abana balimu banji ba Red Wine ani Areni City abana balimu banji mu industry by then. So in 2013 I remember you would organize an event. People were used to these free events because it is not that previously there were no events in Kisoro, but the event organizers by then spoiled the industry to ground level. How? They would promise that we are going to bring this artist. People pay money, they wait for an artist and doesn't appear.
Oh, okay.
You see, next time you prepare an event and you say we are bringing this,
they will not come.
They will not come, even if you are telling the truth. So we were forced. May I remember, we would organize events and you even call people to come and join for free. When you put in money, your advertisement, posters, okuwe byapa bingi woba otegeka ekivulo ebintu bingi ebiwaawo. I've been preparing events under Mountain Sword Entertainment. Kolanga promoter Mountain Sword Entertainment. Mountain Sword Entertainment, John King is the one who started it.
Oh, so it is John
He's the
King
CEO.
All right.
So I'm a co-partner.
Okay.
And now we've made a very big step. Bringing up the entertainment industry in Kisoro. As I'm telling you, we would organize events and artists. Kati bana abadde bayomba mu bice bya music industry. Let me tell you one thing. By then, artists, these local artists were shy. You understand?
Yeah.
Being shy that bali tebagala na performinga misana. You understand?
Hey.
They would just come, I remember there are sometimes when I organized an event at Mutanda Lodi, every year we used to have East African Christmas Bash at Lake Mutanda. And it is one of the most successful events that we have ever prepared here in Kisoro, because there is a time we attracted more than 10,000 people.
Wow. That was huge.
Yes, it was so huge. We had brought artists from Rwanda, the Nick Dimpoz. Rosine, these abazanyo buzanyo ba TV series, Ntare Ingore, they were here. And then, so, abana b'Ekisoro nga bali beta n'okugenda ku stage naye nga kiva kuki. What was the cause? Like in those years, in previous years, you would go on stage to perform. N'abantu bakukuba amayinja.
Hey.
Vayo, yaveyo.
Hey.
Nga byoyimba tebabiwagira.
Tebabitegera.
You understand? So we tried to teach people, please, we are developing people's talents. Even if someone, you are not a fan, you are not his fan or her fan, at least appreciate his or her work. You understand? So here I come to what we call promotion.
Yes, please.
In the music industry. I saw they were talking about the promoters in Kisoro, that we don't have promoters, we don't have...
Yeah.
Now, a promoter will not just promote any song, every song. Then a promoter will come and say, now, beka yimbe oluyimba. Ono omuwala ayina eddoboozi ddungi, ayina lyrics nungi, ayina engoma nungi, she's talented. When we pick her up, nga mu Mountain Sword Entertainment, she can be somebody. Ayinza otukolera sente. Bwaga promoter tagenda kola ki, aba ayagala wafunira nawe ng'okola ki?
Ng'ofuna.
There is no promoter who is just going to put in new money nga tagenda kola ki? Okufuna. That is one. Another thing I want to first explain industry gye tulimu is that now abasookamu It is not basooka mu abayimba ne bafuna mu sente ne bakola ki, but now you should know njagala kubulira abaana b'ekisola abagamba mbu tetumpromoting ennyimba zaabwe. If you are entering the music industry, if you are joining the entertainment industry, you have to consider two things. One, there are some people nganze ndi muyimbi. You are laughing. I have
wow, that is funny.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Waliwo oluyimba lwa Christmas lwena yimba mu All Stars. I was with John King. I was with the KK1 Brad. I was with the these guys, Easy, Jamix. We got like fun. Another ready, and then really know him, but when featuring amugwa or COVID, Corona distance or sort of version. I was there. What do you know? Like now here, I want to tell you that nzo kugenda mu music sigenda mu kufuna center. I'm going to sing. Mwene wali bampesete tuwe bale kuyimba mu na Uganda. No, I go there as I enjoy fun just for
just
fun,
yeah.
for pleasure. I enjoy. Na that is what I'm telling you, that if you want to join the industry, either you are joining as just kunyumirwa for fun, out of passion, or oyingide industry yokukola mu sente. If you are considering music industry nga for commercialization, oyagala kufuna mu sente, then you have to follow keenly what you have to promote every song. You have to bingi byolina okukola.
You have to put in more.
You have to put in more. Not expecting, don't criticize anyone about promoting. I'm not your promoter.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So promoter akola ki? Promoter nze nga njagala promoting omuntu nga nakugambye nti tu organizing ebivulo. Kola ki? Kati actually we are preparing a very big event here in Kisoro.
Talk about
in
it.
June or July. With some artists from South Africa and some artists from Ireland. I had talked to them, but that akonka kubideko just but we haven't confirmed date. We are still in preparation. What do I do when I want to kutegeka ekivulo? Namba uno muyimba inaka yimba kakabi mwana mantu bayinza okukagala kati nze kamukwateko. How do I know that kino ekiyimba kya kabi? Ekyo nakyo genda oyinza okukimbuuza. I told you I'm a radio producer. Omulimu gwange ku radio, a producer okola oburango n'okola ebyokushedwinga byakola traffic man okushedwinga oburango, everything that goes on air, especially music nachi olina okuba nga omanyi content kiki ne quality. So when I you don't play our songs, we don't play. It is my job so okuwulira oluyimba, the lyrics, the lyrical maturity, mpulire ne quality. Si bine bya bano wa bloggers oba emitimbagana emirambo genda kiteeka YouTube ne bwe kiba kitane bokuba akagoma bwoti ne gamba nyimbe yenze mwana biki nenkasayo ku YouTube mugenda kalaba ne bagamba oluyimba lwange nafulumiza naye nga si bwetyo betukola ku radios. So on the radio you have to listen to the quality of the song, you listen to the lyrics, and then you see if it is fit to be played on air. Chechinsa Suzanga producer. So
Onesmus, yes. You're saying lyrics z'abaana abamu tezibayisaawo ennyimba zaabwe kuyiwa ku radio.
No, not necessarily lyrics. The quality of the song, by the way. The quality of the song, even katoruyimba. Nabara wanga bayomba abamumba manyi n'ennyimba z'abebweru osanga naye azinyumirwa ku simu ye okusinga n'olwanyumira oluyimba lwe. Kati ngamba, if you cannot enjoy your own song, who do you think is going to enjoy it? Really? Who do you think is going to feel it? No. So that is what I was telling, that if you want to join the industry for commercialization or you want to get income out of it, you have to put in more. Being a star is not just waking up no imba no gambo nja kufuka star. Olaba bana abana abebweru, you are a Gargamel pro. I know you, Becky. You know how these never bebe kurunga fulumye oluyimba gamba my fan the Gargamel family oluyimba ruro. Never for link in the bio follow me very cheap but never promoting. Kati we boyimba oluyimba no gamba nja kutule waka radio presenter muna Uganda agenda rukime ku YouTube arukube gugunda atoka arukube. By the way, I want to thank Mr. Prince Trevor Mugenga. He's the managing director, Voice of Muhabura. He's the man who loves and has passion for the industry in Kisoro.
Wow.
Yateka kone program basically for music Kigezi talent show every week.
Wow.
And he's the man who supports these local artists.
Wow.
Every time if they have like webategeke bivulo but abawa free airtime.
That is amazing.
Abawa free airtime, they come amazing. Interviews every time. Even these people who are complaining that temukube nyimba we give them free airtime, they come tukube nyimba nebo baruli rutya nanze producer sisozo kuana ni tukube bana bafe bakolire nyimba because our main intention as the radio station is to give the Kisoro people the best. I think at promoting any talents zabana abawano.
So Onesmus, I have this question that is bothering me. Banabana chenjagala okumanya because if you followed my second interview nabuza DJ Peter. Why? Because you guys are saying you play their songs, some of them. Naye abana bagamba temuzizanya ekizibu kivaawa. What is the cause?
Let me tell you one thing, as I told you. In an industry, in an entertainment industry, fit following ebikachinga majority, something that is liked by people. Ate nawe let me tell you, wo choose a TV, no take a TV over radio, no sanga nga byebogera tobyagala oba tobinyumirwa oba sibinyo okola ki ojako ekyo kimu. That is one. Ekirala, these guys who complain, I don't know how they want us to play their songs because since by the way Mr. Guitar on the camera is Michael producer, the traffic man on Voice of Muhabura. Ashimanyi nti enyimba zetuyina wano munsi nyingi, so you don't expect me to play your song morning, afternoon, evening, no.
Every day.
No, that is not that is not professional. That is another thing. Now if you don't bring me your song, where will I get it? Mungende ku YouTube ndufune. Nze ntegerete anto muyimbo ono gundi yafulumiza oluyimbo olupya.
Now they say
in Kampala, let me give you an example of they should know that again we are up country. This is not the city.
Okay.
It is comparing. So sometimes you compare Uganda with America.
Which can't happen.
Which can't happen. You understand? Abana njagala bayigiriza how they should promote their songs. These artists, local artists in Kisoro, let me teach you to promote your songs.
Yes,
because
please.
We don't have assigned promoters. Let me tell you that. How can I sing I can be a promoter. Nainga siri promoter wa buli omu. Promoter ta promoting everyone. Aba specifically n'abantu bayina ba promoting for specific reasons.
Just like
I promote Mountain Sword entertainment music. That is my work.
I get it.
You understand?
Yeah.
Kubanga amanyi wenfuniramu wengenda okukola ekivulo bengenda okuleeta nkoleki presenting awo ng'amanya abantu ba promoting ekimali nyimba baziprayinza abantu bazitegedde. If I want to bring waliwo twaleeta Clever J Mountain Sword recently ne tugenda naye ne Mukongo. Clever J naye ng'ennyimba okuzijjukiza abantu. We had to pray them again and again and again. Okuzijukiza abantu. Nze promoter kyenkola. Bwemba ngenda okuleeta omuyimbi. Nzija mune sente zange n'empita wano mu town. Ba 50-50 library lenze nga amuwako akantu oluyimba olwo olunkubire. Omwana ono wange munkubire. That is what the promoter does. Naye nga nteekemu sente muntu gwezitakolagana naye timunkubira omuyimba ono nkubira kino kubira ono. Nyinza okujja ne wano nga ku 10 nensangawo kaye nensangawo abantu nengamba I have a freshman DJ aliwa nemuwa yeah, you listen to this track I have my artist ono guy aina kayimba kalungi ngezaako ka promoting so that the community abali awo the people around there bakalistening it too. That is what a promoter does, but not promoting mutetwina ba promoter because you don't have one. Don't think that they are not there.
All right, thank you so much.
Another thing I want to correct about them, omanyi nabinje byokwogera badde nkyayagala kuba advisinga ayagala kuyingira mu music industry n'ali mu music industry bagamba tupromotinga zino enyimba mbutukuba bana boyi abe Nigeria abeki kubanga bakuba enyimba ne bazipromotinga naffe wetuli ne zitutuukako n'omwana w'omukyalo ne zimutuukako. How? That is where I'm coming.
But before there, one of them said, Babanga Beyonce, I take all some of you even subscribe to Beyonce's.
Yes, we do. Because
that means when he subscribes, there's that car bell that rings. You know, Beyonce and chatted deal. So when the moment you get a subscription message that Beyonce has put, you go there and check.
Yes.
So yes,
Beyonce is a star. This is a star.
How did she become a star?
That is why what I tell you that now, comparing Uganda and America, how did she become a star? Through her promoters.
Thank you so much. Through her promoters, these guys.
Bafune promoters.
Another
thing, when you don't have a promoter, do it yourself. Promote yourself. How abana bagenda ne bakola ne bu challenges ne basasula no buwala ku makubo. Mwana ngazina mwaka yimba ke naka postinga ku TikTok. Naka tambuza yeyeka. Na ingo expecting you. It is all your responsibility. Everyone to be successful, by the way, we should stop these blame games, criticizing, blaming this one on Boyati. The success, your success is all about your responsibility. It is not about blaming anyone. Kubanga oruyimba nze let me tell you. Ole abana abayimba oruyimba ne rukwatayo nawe no rufiringa buli DJ nanga rukuba n'abantu nga barusaba. You understand?
Sad sorrow.
Sakisoro ba high spirit abana bavayo ne bakubachi ne bakuba enyimba oluyimba kekero yakuba oluyimba jekekero yakuba nze nzijukira 2008 nga sinajja nali manyiro Nyarwanda amalira yurukundo n'amalira oluyimba olonga lukwatayo ne kabale yona nga bakola ki nga balukuba ku Voice of Kigezi Muhabura I think yali tena tandika oba had just started John King nga yakafulumya oluyimba olwo yali tana joining a Voice of Muhabura wale wabana bata complaining kubanga they know the industry what it means ba legends ba cylinder MC abana bakubye omuziki. I can tell you the guys I appreciate doing well in the music industry abana ba Big Omula abana ba Big Zo abana ba Big Sounder, I appreciate them. Big Sounder je abana banji mu kisoro nga abakubira enyimba. You understand? Now, why quality matters when it comes to us to radio. Even in everywhere, ne mu clubs. Quality yoruyimba emataringa how producer bakubira yes the quality of the studio matters also wale producer bakubira oluyimba engoma eri wansi lyrics ebigambo biri wansi edobozi teri balancing alachi naye wale abayimbi ava wano nagenda ne Kampala nateka mu senteze nagende wabawa nakubuluyimba nga Swigaman bananga Swigaman agenda Kampala nateka mu sentege bananga John King agenda ne Rwanda nakola yo oluyimba akola ki. You will never hear them complaining. Atenga basaddemu ne sente mpitirivu okitegeera naye bakuleetera oluyimba nawe olufiiringa this is quality ngenda kola ki okulukuba ne bwebanga si hit naye bw'olukuba terugenda kola ki. Naye kankubulire bano abaana b'omu kilabu nga ba DJ tagenda okuba engomayo ng'agyemu oluyimba olwalagundo gw'abaana bagamba ba Beyonce ba Daisy nga lukuba engoma abantu bacamuse ngateekemu eri ekiri ddalo ekiri wansi buli omu agenda atandike DJ vaayo gwe DJ biki bamukube n'amacupa. So okwewala ebyo we follow the quality. So okunenya DJ mbutakubye oluyimba byo soko otuwe quality soko otuwe kubanga ze kyengamba nti bw'oba oyingidde music industry ng'oyagala commercializing you have to take another step eyokupromotinga oluyimba lwo n'oteekamu ne ssente ne beba presenter ng'oyagala kuba oluyimba lwo musinkane nga wano ku Ichumbi we tuli gamba mwana Onesimus kangende nkuwema ki kankuwema akacupa onkobera oluyimba nja kujjukira nti gundi yakoze ki bw'otuuka walinga gundi Abaana ba promoters abaina zi libraries nabo I call them promoters because they play their music regularly. Kitegera abantu ne bazuulira naye muweeyo akantu. Don't think that you are going to sit mb'oluyimba lwo lwetambuza
kubanga wakuyo oluyimba oyagala abantu bakuwagire.
That won't happen. This industry, we are in a competitive industry. That is what I have to tell you, that if you have to be successful, be ready to compete. Not criticizing, not blaming this one. Bobo yagala DJ Emma, DJ Peter, DJ Bash akukubira oluyimba. Bobo yagala DJ Bowazo wa MC Bowa. Kati tuyina okugamba mbu I cannot come here and say mukisoro tetuyina ba bloggers, tetuyina ba hosts, atenga you have ever hosted me. Beki ole wano oyogera nange wajja ne muja ne kamera ne mwogera nange. Kati nchange ende ngambe mbu kisoro tetuyina ba bloggers, we don't have what. That is disrespect. And that is naivety, that is ignorance. So if you stand and say, if you come here to GMTV in front of the camera and you say, Kisoro, we don't have MCs. I have ever been an MC on your party. That is arrogance.
But I think
it is arrogance.
These guys said they don't have MCs.
And you say, in Kisoro we don't have a DJ, and you expect me when I'm the turntable I play your song?
To play a song. Okay, these guys, I think they said they don't have MCs in Kisoro because they have never been on functions, or they never participated where MCs are talking. I don't know how it comes for them to say they don't have MCs. So if you've never been on any Mukoro, you think there are no Mikoros in Kisoro. Let me tell you, I've participated in big events. Let me tell you the most successful events since the events I've participated in. I either as a main character, or as a founder, or as a partner. Twaleta ziza bafana wano ndine ali manager wa MTN netuleta Shiba oyo gundi yamuleta Shiba yenze yala amuvuga ne mugundi ba videos nga mutambuza mu town mu super custom twaina super custom ya radio wanganza jivuga Shiba nenge kurachi sinamne kurashwe
oyo gundi top care Gilbert music sound is yala amulese nainge cha promotion chokubo bulango yenze yabukura ibulango yenze yabukora n'ekine bingi abayimba bamayituse ba Michael Rossi ba Henry Tigani ba Abdumulasi Kukaneti bani as I've told you, I've participated in very many events and I am still doing. You understand?
Yeah.
So if we are to prepare, let me tell you one thing. Abayimbi b'Ekisoro bali shy. Abayimbi b'Ekisoro bali shy nakugambye ko nga twakatandika. They would prefer to present at night.
By the way,
when people have a vibe and
before
what.
We continue, I think I saw that kind of thing happen one waliwe chivulu wano ku Mayor's Garden, and then they are calling kids are refusing to perform. They want to perform at night. Waliwo Aganaga yali azze.
Aganaga recently.
Aganaga comes on stage, performs. Nagenda abana ne balyoka bajja bakola ki performing. So
abazati bali bamulesa. I did not participate in that event. I wasn't there, but I know how it happens. They either refuse to do what? To perform. But performing ekiro olusinga abantu batamidde n'okutamira olusinga bayagenze because they are shy. They were shy, not like now. Only webanga bakyalimu, but not many. But so that was previously in the previous years. They were shy. They would go on stage nga batamidde. Okweja kwa kagundi asooka ateekemu ebihwiske, asooka ateekemu emisokoto gye, asooka ateekemu gundi walagi kwegamba asobole okukola ki, asobole okugenda ku stage nga ali maybe steady, nga kyayita steady. Kati ako ne tujja nga tukabajjamu just sensitizing them that please when you have to perform because of amuntu ayombanga nabo ngamba sebo wogedda ku stage ngotamidde nga togenda performinga zesigenda kusasura. You understand? So ne bajanga kabavaamu ako akashyness nga kabavaamu. You can perform even during night, during daytime. You can perform when you are sober, when you are not drunk.
Yeah.
And surprisingly they use it to think that you can perform when you are high, but we begin to kuvira muddala ate ne babyonona nnyo because you so sure you cannot act like ebintu byakola ng'oluusi nga bali high. But when kati industry wetutuuse okuva ku bafanizi okutukula amacupa n'obuyinja nga bagamba oyo ntaali kulirimba okuvuma nga nange kuvuma alikingi namugamba gwe tonyononera ligase yange tonyononera ligase yange, I've set my integrity. So ebyo byogendamu ebyekigwagwa ebyo nze sijja kukola ki kubigoberera kubanga tebyamba, that would not work. So ebyo byokwebifinga ng'oli muyimbi no beefing omuyimbi munno tebikola.
Nato, I think watulaba emabega sometime back when these baby cools, Bob Wings, the Chameleons were coming in the industry, beef was working for them.
Yeah, it was working for them, but
it worked for them.
It would not work everywhere. Tekitegeeza aliho Reverend Awito Habire n'atubuulira ati olutindo mwena abasakulu labaho olutindo the bridge, you can cross the bridge and tomorrow you find the bridge is no longer there.
Yeah.
So it doesn't mean that if someone does this and becomes successful that you will also do the same and do what?
And pass.
So if I did this and I became successful, don't think that you will also do it and become successful. Okay,
Uganda. I have this question for you. Don't you think these guys whom I had recently on the interview, don't you think they're trying to bring back that beef thing?
It won't work. It won't work because nowadays people are abantu bategeera. People are now understand.
They're updated.
They're updated. We are beefing tebikola. Instead, we have to get together
and be one.
And be togetherness kati yekola. Togetherness yekola ngabayimbi mufunewo ne group yamwe. You can set even your standards. Let me tell you, if you say we have Kisoro music my entertainment we even set our standards.
How about that thing happens? If they have any music association in Kisoro.
Because there are those beefing stuff abalaranga bagende eri mu Kampala ne babereyo mu Kampala nga kube chimba nakoma weno ngalowooza wakabinyo bichi nga zara wabino basanze kuchi nga sanze wakala n'abasala wanaye. These days, I want to also appreciate, I was still appreciating the people who have contributed much to the music industry. The radio stations, Kisoro FM, Voice of Muhabura, you've done great job. You have done a great job in promoting the entertainment industry. And other people, abategeke ebivuro, oba abategeke emikolo, ne bayita abana abafumbira performing, especially like these people who organize Bafumbira World, we watch Heza.
Actually,
please be inviting these people and please pay them. Give them some nice token. Yes,
but I think you hear that 27th May,
27th May,
Heza 6th edition. Play the kids, let them.
Banabana wafe mubatwale Kampala, let them show their talents because mufuna gundi you get audience there, mubaira ne crowd, a big audience, abana mubawe chance atenga mubatewe ki kusente. That is the only way you can help them, giving them a platform and paying them.
Some kamane Gilbert and Principal and ozobaka bujatuka. You watch Heza is on 27th May. You can even reach to Gilbert and talk to him. No platform, no play, no imbe nyimbazo abantu never kuulira and they get to know it because there will be a lot of many people, a lot of Banyaranda, a lot of Bafumbira. Abana baberayo botasubira na kusubira.
Let me make it clear. If you request for a platform, then as I told you that if you are promoting yourself, or if you are requesting for the platform, don't go there and sing and then start asking for money. No, wasabi platform ya promotion.
That is true.
Nenkuba posta nengamba ninako abayimbi bano. You understand? Kat on the time of event, abayimbi buli muyimbi yena yesomba na atali ku posta ja. agamba nze ndi muyimbi genda kuyibuse we you are not on the poster agamba mwana payo ka platform ngamba kale yingira tojja kusasula but at least ofuneko ki platform audience oluyimba abantu balutegere abantu balwumve so then again osange naye agenda ayomba nayimbye navudde ku kivulo tebansasudde kumbe we are not even on the poster and they have another by the way let me tell you funya akakisa kano let me clear all this also about the artists agenda nakusanga ku gate tali ku poster is not on the poster mu bantu abagenda okuyimba nogamba kati gwe anyway I can allow you to sing because I know you though you were not on my program today but you come and enter maybe if you want to sing you can sing if you don't want jango yingire nakulaga nga ayagala kuyingiza n'abaki ne bachaliwa abalala please this is business.
Talk about it.
This is business. Nze mba nkola business. Kati bwe wangu lwakuba oli muyimbi ne kivulo kye batakuyise that you want to go there and otwaleyo ne bachaliba abalala ate mukolera amateeka for sure that won't work.
That doesn't work. Yeah, I get it.
I really appreciate and work with Kisoro artists. Abana bajjeyo Kisoro ba Peter Tunes, the Shamba Boys, ba John King, ba Trigger Vibes. Abana banji, I cannot mention them. There are very many. But you guys, let me tell you, we try to promote your songs, and it is our goal. It is our goal to see the music industry, the sort of music, to the national level.
Yeah.
You understand? It makes me happy when I go to Kampala and I hear
Fumbira
song. You understand?
Yeah.
When you go to Mbalala, we hear the Fumbira song. We go where? Or an artist I know. So don't say that we don't promote you. But we do what we can, but also do what you are supposed to do. Not what you can, what you want. Especially those who say that they want to reach far. Please move an extra mile
to do it. The other thing I would say is cooperate. If you want to win and if you want to take it somewhere, cooperate. To them beef, them creating wars between ourselves. Industry,
you are blaming this one, you are blaming an MC, you are blaming a DJ, you are blaming a radio presenter. Kati bona we babanga bako gwa akole ekitu ekituufu bona bakola ebikyamo gwewe ka akole ekituufu.
Anyway, all listeners of Uganda, we are on GMTV. Yeah, subscribe, like and comment to the entertainment by vibe we have for you. Onesmus, how do you think if we organize and make a plan and organize our entertainment in Kisoro? But we can't start.
As I told you, the problem with artists, the problem we have with artists and the people in the music industry is pride.
So cut off your pride and we leave those who have problems with everything. Those who can or those who are willing to join. Let's do that. By the time they feel they want to join, we shall be far and maybe they are paying money to join. They entered for free. I think if we are organized, when you organize a thing, we shall go higher than where we are and where we are expecting.
Let me tell you one thing in Kampala. Spicer Dina oba Chameleon oba Bebe Kuru bwa tegeke ekivulo ayita bayimbi banne agamba kati bwayita King Saho oba ayita muyimbo omulala nganza ali mu industry. I can assure you that tagenda musasula the price tag promoter oba event manager za musasula. You understand? So they would be, even if they coordinated, they would be even more successful. But now, I can assure you, abana banja bagezaako okwepromotinga okwejayo nakola ekivulo na preparing ekivulo wano mu Kisoro nekiflopinga just because
they lack coordination.
They lack coordination.
Yeah, being one. Because we amanyi no muganda agamba mbo omuntu ogumu emitwe ebiri gisinga omuntu ogumu. So if you're all together at once, no I saw this Martha Mkisa's Chivulu. Wachirabeko cha floppings. And I had one of my friends, he's a presenter. He's a radio presenter, TV presenter. and he told that Masamkis, and he told her tokola chivulu kati kubanga abantu ogenda bayimbira ki, and the girl just abused the man. Abusing omulenzi, showing that you know nothing. What you're just an upcoming now oyogera you get tomanyi bya kuyimba. The chivulu flopped completely. So because there was lack of communication there, naye singa yabaddakiza kibamugamba kubanga n'omulenzi ayibaddemu era abadde abiraba. So I think here in Kisoro, if we join together, we communicate and we work together, I think wogenda kukola ekivulu muno nakugamba omanyi kiganyi oba wano kibulawo. You can sit and rewind. Otegere nkoze ntya, how will I do it? What can I do so that I can be successful in this event I'm preparing? Where can I do it? How should I do it? What do I need to do now? What do I have to know? Abayimbi ba Kisoro are like the promoters, the musicians, the artists. Buli yenna agwa mu kiti kya entertainment. Let's unite. Let's be together. Let's start this organization. I feel we will go another step the moment we start this thing. Another
thing, we stop blame games. Lekeraho blame games, blaming our DJ, or blaming our presenter, or blaming our promoter, or kubazalawa. Please, we stop blame games and let everyone do what is supposed to do, and we shall see.
Onesimus, there is a DJ who in the last same previous interviews, he said, "Omukubana bali ba complaining ayimba dirty." Have you ever heard about the dirty songs?
Yes, as I told you, as a radio producer, we mind about what we play on air, and even UCC, they regulate us. That is why we may be in Uganda, like there are some songs
they don't play.
Please don't play that song on
air.
But it doesn't mean that mubibala mubichi mutebabikuba ebyo babikuba naye nga fe ku radio tetukola ki. So those such a dirty stuff watch producing, I don't think that we shall play it on air.
Talk about it. Remember Chris Brown and Little Dicky, and who I think that song is called whatever, Freaky Friday.
Yes.
When they're playing it on radios this side, is where they reach wali data never freezing. So I get your point. Katin namu abagala okuyimba the musicians, if you feel you want your songs to be aired out on radios, on TVs, mind about what you're going to sing.
Becky, do you know that you cannot force someone to like your song?
Very good.
And song you can listen to a song even if you don't know the artist, even if you don't know the lyrics, and you like it. Do you know that?
Yeah.
That is the music industry. So man, when you start blaming, when you start blaming games, then that is the end of you. You can't reach anywhere.
Thank you so much.
If you want to be successful, carry everything on your head. It is your full responsibility to be successful.
Right.
Stop blaming other people.
Thank you so much. Onesimus, nakenjagala okuyisa. How about gospel artists, gospel singers? Bakola mute mbaliko mu entertainment industry.
Gospel singers mnango manye ebyabwe. Gospel singers omanyi ne bwe bategeka ebivula bagamba Yesu yasasula. Yes, I assassinate people come there and then baby so ndamo ne bakora but we have programs like on the radio. We have Dushimiri Mana, we have this Eseza Memorial, we have very many programs that play gospel music.
Okay.
So even Guitar Hall, we have Sunday special request hour, your choice. You request any song of your choice and we pray.
That song. Okay, thank you so much. Wow. Barangiba abayimbi, your quality, the quality you're giving to people, the quality you're giving to us matters. Wow, it was really a good time on GMTV.
Abayimbi njaga ekira kyengenda kwagamba munange tutendeka abaana baje mu gym bakoleko ku mibiri banyume baleke. Yes, mu videos zaabwe. Yes, it is also ekintu kya entertainment. Chitambula ne fashion and what and design. So
thank you.
mwino kwerabirira bulungi munyume mukole ku mibiri. We have a gym here at Ichumbi, we have swimming pool, we have sauna, we have
he's a gym
bath,
instructor.
I'm a gym instructor. Njabagala kuyiga ekikonde karate byonna tubikola wano.
Wow, GMTV, thank you so much.
GMTV gita oli wakabe mwana, keep it up, you're one of the best in Kisoro. Chokola na now you see Gitao what he's doing here.
It's very good, very good. Yeah. It was nice to host you. And actually, I've also learned, and thank you so much for coming, and thank you so much for opening this up.
Yeah, Mbezembera, anytime you can always come and talk to me in different fields. Next time you'll find me maybe in the gym. Next time you'll find me in business. I'm a crypto trader. We can discuss about blockchain.
Wow.
Very many things.
I think it is my blessed day and my blessed happy my blessed birthday month that I've met you and we have to talk about this. Thank you so much, Onesmus. GMTV, Little Becky 256. I think I want to say bye to you right now. Na ye kampe Onesmus that seconds to see ule.
Abalabi ba GMTV, I want to thank you. Thank you so much for supporting us. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell thing. Click to of notifications. Should be getting notifications because GMTV, it is where you get everything about everything, whether political, whether entertainment, whether religious, ukisanga ku GMTV. So abalabi ba GMTV, thank you so much okutulaba n'okusubscribing and I thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Onesmus Uganda. He's my gym instructor. Though I'm growing fat every day. Anyway, GMTV, subscribe, share, like, and comment. Little Becky 256 to Wanoku Ichumbi Hotel. It has a gym, it has a sauna, it has a steam bath, and they have a hotel. Very, very, very good customer caring care and very, very nice staff. So you're always welcome here. GMTV and my director behind the scenes. Thank you so much. God bless.